Welcome back friends in our channel Art Live with Muhammad Shazar. Today we are going to make a greeting card cover for the birthday. As you can see, it's showing the theme of the train and the sky. So for that we need quilling tool, square die, round dies and glue and some strips. So first of all friends, we will start from the thing that is majority there, the square. For that we need 150 mm strip, and we have to just put around the round dia like this. Make the shape of what you can say bogies of the train. We done that one. We made it the square, and we have to put the inside we need 150 mm same color strip. We are using the orange one. Make it tight roll and put in the square box. You got it. And now we have to make the ties. For that we need 150 mm black strip. We are using here. Make it the tight roll as well. We make the tires. Now we have to make the chimney of the what you can say of the first bogie. For that we are using the same color orange. We have to make it the tight roll. Put in the 10 mm round dia. Press from the one side, and the other side you can make that shape for chimney. Now we have to make the topper side. For that we also need the orange strip we are using. We have to make it the tight roll and put the same 10 mm round dia. Press from the one side, two side, and upper side you have to make it the round. As you can see, you can make that shape same like this, and this is the chimney. Now we have to make the sky, and also what you can say the you have to make the tight roll from the both side. You have make the shape of this one, and the for skies we have to do same, fully tied from the both side, opposite side. Once you make like this, and the middle of the sky we have to make the press of 75 mm strip blue, and this strip we have to fold around in the same way, not the opposite side. Okay, and the shape of sky as well. Now we have to make the joint between them. Make it tight roll. Put in the 8 mm round dia. Press from the both side. It makes the joint. Now we have to make the top side of the second and third bogie. For that we need two square shapes and 297 strip we are using here. We have to make it tight roll and put in the 12 round dia. Same strategy like the small one, we have to press from the two sides. Other side is making the shape of stuff that we did. So friends, we made the stuff samples. This one joint, this one the chimney of the train, the first one, this one the first topper, bogies of the next to the second and third and fourth, this one ship sky, tires, and the first one. So let's get started friends to put the stuff on the greeting card cover. So finally friends, we got our stuff. As you can see, I already make the bogies as well. So we have to start from the base of the train. I already make the joints of the train, as you can see. Sky is already done it. Now the joint. I just wanted to finish video in a quick and because I don't want to waste any more time to make one by one. The important thing to give the idea that you already got it. That's why I'm just making everything in a hurry, not putting the glue, because if I try to put the glue it will take more and more time. So for the dies, one by one. That's all friends. We complete the greeting card cover friends. I hope you learned the video. If you like the video, please comment below the video, share the video and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon that can give it to you the notification of our new video. So until next video friends, stay blessed, Allah Hafiz, and keep supporting our channel.